Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome, of course, to Module 6. I just ended up finishing the lecture, and I think you're really going to enjoy it, the physician-patient relationship. Of course, I wanted to highlight something important. This is our last module before break. So we do have a break before, of course, the holiday break, before exam 1. So last thing you have to do before, of course, your holiday break. So congratulations on almost being there and getting your work done, and make sure you get this work done on time, and then you have a great break coming up. Let's head over to the course content section. About, of course, chapter 5, module 6, the physician-patient relationship. Again, you have your first lecture here that's supplemental. I've always included that just to have a little bit more information for you guys, so you can continue learning some awesome stuff, and that's very, very similar to, to the lecture, the Pearson lecture for Chapter 6, the physician-patient relationship, which I included here, just uploaded it and have the associated PowerPoint. So read Chapter 6 and watch the lecture. You do have 2 supplemental videos here, reaffirming the doctor-patient relationship. It's something that you all need to be aware of, that contract the provider and the patient has together. And then Good Samaritan laws. I talk about that a little bit in Chapter 6. Be sure to understand what is a Good Samaritan law and how does it protect you from helping others. All right, here's some notes, Module 6 notes, and it's a smaller handout that's associated with the first lecture here, and your review questions, which are going to be due on the 21st, and then your lecture question, which is also due on the 21st. The only 2 things that you have due standing between you and a holiday break. Your lecture question is, when thinking about the physician-patient relationship, how can we legally protect ourselves as caregivers when working with vulnerable individuals? So those that are in a really challenging state, taking care of their health care. That's not easy, but we want to make sure that we do everything we can to practice in the right way. So how do you protect yourself? That's a great question, and hopefully you can dig into that and write something really interesting that can be conveyed to other students, but make sure you also get those Module 6 review questions in and done by the 21st. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Keep up the great work, and hope you enjoy this week's material, and look forward to that holiday break. Thanks so much.